everyone, so today I'm going to be creating a bedroom for the newest American Girl doll, Kira Bailey. So if you don't know who she is the newest doll. She's the Girl of the Year for 2021. So she just came out, and I have a whole ton of things from her collection that we're going to be creating into a bedroom that I have on the bottom floor of my dollhouse. So I already put in all her big pieces, and I'll talk about each piece too and where it's from. So of course here I have Kira, and I'm going to grab a doll stand for her, and I actually found these doll stands at a thrift store. I got 2 of them, and I think they work a lot better than the regular American Girl doll stands. So I'm going to go ahead and put her right here. And the first thing that I'm going to decorate is her bed. So this bed is from American Girl. It's actually Julie's bed, and it's not the newest version. I've had this one for a few years now. So I have a couple pillows. Alright, so the first one, I'm pretty sure this also came with Julie's bed. It's just a little flower, and I just think that this kind of fits with Kira's theme, so I'm just going to put this on. And then this pillow, this one is from Leah's Hut, and I also think that it goes with Kira's theme. A lot of the pieces I used were from Leah's collection because it's very similar. And then I have this little animal that I decided to just throw in there. It's just a little plush bunny, and if you squeeze it, it makes noise like that. And then I have her koala, and his name is Bean, and I am going to put him on the bed too. So her bed is all done, and then the next thing is this little nightstand, and I actually painted this, and you can buy these at Michael's or wherever sells these. This could have been from Joann's. I've had it for a long time, but I didn't actually paint it until last year during the lockdown. But I really like the way it turned out, and I think it kind of fits with Kira's theme too. So I'm gonna put this right next to her bed. First on here, so when at night, when she's sleeping, because I do this too, she has a little drink, and this is also from Leah's Hut. It has a sea turtle on it, but they do have sea turtles in Australia, so it's not entirely out of theme, and we can just turn it this way. So put that there, and then I have a little computer iPad thing for her. This is also from Leah's Hut, and this one has a cord that plugs into a camera, and the one that comes in Kira's collection probably works with this. So, and it's just open to her schoolwork right now. I'm gonna assume that she's homeschooled since not everybody's back in school yet, but when she's traveling, she also has all her school online, and you can change out all the sliders in this too. So I'm gonna fold this up and put it there. And then inside of her drawers, these are the headbands that come with her outfits. These are the only ones. There's this one, and this one comes with her camping outfit, and then this one came with her casual outfit. So I'm gonna put these inside the 2 drawers, so whenever she's getting dressed, she can just reach in and grab those. And then in the back corner, I also have another item from her collection. I was debating whether to put this in there or not, but I think it kind of helps fill out the space. This is her little animal carrier, so if she's ever needing to go outside and needs to grab an animal, it's in her room. So we're gonna put this in the back over here. And then you can also see that I have a little chair for her to sit in, and this is Julie's egg chair. There's also a little platform like for your feet that I have here, but Joss is using it right now. So I think in here, her little wombat is going to sit on it. There. I really like all her animals, and I think they look really cute in her bedroom. It is a little crazy having koalas and wombats in your bedroom, but I think he's cute. And then we have another shelf, and this one came with Nenea's family market, but I really like this shelf, and it's kind of spacious, so I have a whole bunch of pieces to put in it. So the first couple pieces, these are just some little school supplies, and these actually came with an Our Generation set, the school desk set. I really like Our Generation pieces, and they work really well with American Girl dolls, so you can put that up there. And then she also has a camera, and she has, this isn't hers, but she has one that is the exact same thing, except it's purple, and this one is also from Leah's collection, so Kira is just borrowing it, and you can see that it plugs into the little computer on the side, so put that right there. And then we also have some flowers, and these are from Blair's collection. Bug spray for her. I'm pretty sure there's like mosquitoes and stuff in Australia. I've never been there, so I don't really know. This is also from Leah's collection. And then I have this little like globe ball thing. I've had this for a really long time. I found it at like a homeschool store. But I kind of think that it suits her theme well since she travels. So I'm going to put that right there, and I'm going to have Australia facing out if it'll stay. Okay, that's fine. And then we also have the little postcards and pictures that came with her accessories. So I'm gonna fold these up, and I think I'll put them on the shelf. And she also has a pair of binoculars. We'll put these right there. And her sunglasses. And let's put these, on this shelf. And I'm also going to put her walkie-talkie here too. I'm gonna put it right up here so she has it for easy access in case someone calls her. And then this little pouch, I thought it was cute and fit her collection. It's from Kaya's collection, and I'm not really sure how the dolls are supposed to like use it, because it kind of like, if you have the Kaya doll, it like sticks to her belt or goes on her belt somehow. I'm not sure, it's kind of hard to figure out, but we'll put that there. And then I also have some little books, and these are also both from Leah's collection. This one is kind of like, it's out of the theme, but this one is for Butterflies of the Amazon. But we'll put it right here since there are lots of butterflies in Australia, so you can just pretend that that's what it's for. And then we have this little book about sea turtles. She has a similar one in her collection that comes with her hut. And I'm pretty sure they have sea turtles off the coast of like Australia too, so I think that fits in pretty well. And then the last thing is this little blanket and bandage for the animals. I'm going to put this shelf in here very carefully so nothing falls over like that. This next piece is a little table for her, and this also came with Leah's hut, so I'm gonna put this in here. And this pillar kind of annoys me because it's like blocking, and it's like blocking the room, but I can't really take it out. So I'll put that on her table. I'm just going to leave her little scarf slash mask on there because everyone needs a mask now. So and if you saw the video where we opened her, you'll know that it like like I said, it's kind of a mask too, so leave this at easy access. Then I forgot to put this on the bed, but this is a little lantern and it does light up. And it also came from Leah's collection, so I'm just gonna lift this top piece off and hang it right there, and we'll just see how long. No, keep it off so the battery doesn't go out. And then I also have her hat, and I'm not really sure where to put it, but I think I'll just stick it on top of here so she can just grab it when she's leaving. And then the last items I have are her 2 bags. So this one is the one they give out when you go to the store on her release day, and they just give these out while they have them, so, but mainly on January 1st and 2nd. So these I'm going to try to hang on the back of the chair. There we go. Come on. There. And then her backpack, I'm just going to stick on the floor right here. Now the next things I have all her outfits, and the first thing I'm gonna put in there, I have her little koala slippers, and we can just put these at the foot of her bed. And then I have her pajamas too, and I'll just lay these on the bed. I'm gonna take them off the coat hanger first though, and just put that away. So that way when she comes home from her Australian hike, she is ready to just get into her pajamas, because that's what I do when I get home from anywhere. I just throw my pajamas right on. So we'll put that right there. And then I have her other 2 pairs of shoes. She only has a couple outfits right now, but they should release more later in the year. So we'll put these right here. Hopefully she doesn't trip on them when she's walking out. And then I have all her outfits. So this is her camping outfit, her casual outfit, and then her jacket. We could put this over the back of the chair, but I don't think it will stay. Now I'm kind of hanging these up in a really weird way, because I don't have a place to hang clothes inside my dollhouse. So I am going to just put them up here, and that way she can just come over here and grab what she needs, so whichever outfit. And then now we can bring Kira in, and she can come hang in her room. So let's move this table, and she can sit down. She's sitting at her table, and she's going to do some school work. So we're gonna get her computer out and ready. And she's working on a project to submit some photos. So we're gonna plug her camera in to her computer like this. There we go. And we're gonna grab her a pencil and a highlighter. And I don't have a piece of paper at my bin of various American Girl doll books and stuff. Okay, here we go. She can use, is there, yeah, here we go. So here's a paper. Okay, so now that she is all done with school, she's going to go ahead and get her pajamas on and relax a little bit. Pajamas now. So I think before she goes to bed, she's going to read a little bit. So I'm gonna just scoot this over here, and let's just take that out of the way. And she can sit in her chair. All right, so she has been sitting there for a little bit now, and it's time for her to go to bed. So we're gonna go ahead and move this out of the way. So let's take her book and take her, and we'll get her bed all set up. So excuse me, I'm gonna take this stuff off first. And we'll pull that back. And then I usually make my dolls sleep with their slippers on just to keep their feet warm. So we'll put that. We'll go ahead and tuck her in with all her animals. And she can go to bed. So we're gonna go ahead and turn the lights out. I'm gonna plug it back in and then I'll sign off. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I know there are going to be a lot of videos like this out there from a lot of really other great channels, but I just appreciate you coming to watch it on ours. And I had a lot of fun playing with all of her stuff for the first time, actually. So if you enjoyed, be sure to subscribe and smash that like button. Just kidding, you don't have to smash it. If you want to, you can. And I will see you guys next time, either here in my American Girl doll collection or maybe at Disney World whenever I can return.